As a content creator, one of the most time-consuming parts of the job isn't editing videos. It's coming up with ideas, writing titles, creating descriptions, and finding the right hashtags. So today, I'm going to try building an AI-powered website that can help with all of those tasks. And the interesting part is that I'm going to build it without writing a single line of code, using Hostinger Horizons. To build this website, I'm using Hostinger Horizons. It's a platform that allows anyone to create web apps using AI without coding. What makes it especially interesting is that AI is already integrated directly into the platform. That means you don't need to create an OpenAI account, you don't need to purchase any external APIs, and you don't need to deal with complicated technical configurations. Everything is already built in. The first step is selecting a plan. For this project, I'm choosing the starter plan. This plan includes AI credits that can be used both for building the application and powering AI features inside the app. Next, we can continue to the checkout page. If you'd like to try Hostinger Horizons yourself, you can use my coupon code MAKEITSIMPLE to get 10% off. Once the coupon is applied, the discount is automatically reflected in the price. Another nice bonus is that the annual plan includes a free domain, hosting, and a professional business email. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now it's time to describe the application I want to build. I'm calling it Creator Boost AI. The goal is to help content creators generate video ideas, titles, descriptions, hashtags, and even script drafts automatically. And I'm going to describe everything using plain English, no coding required. Once I submit the prompt, the AI begins building the entire application structure automatically, from the dashboard to the tools and pages needed to make everything work.
A few moments later, the first version of the application is ready. We already have a professional-looking dashboard, and all of the main features I requested are available. It's pretty impressive, considering everything was generated from a simple prompt. Now I want to make the application truly intelligent. This is where Hostinger's integrated AI becomes really interesting. Because I don't need to create an OpenAI account, I don't need to purchase API access, and I don't need to configure anything manually. I can simply ask Horizons to connect all of these tools to AI. Now it's time to test the first AI feature. This is the video idea generator. I'll enter a topic that is very relevant to my channel. For example, gaming. Let's see what kind of ideas the AI can come up with. Within a few seconds, the AI generates multiple content ideas based on the topic I provided. This can be really useful when you're running out of content ideas or planning future videos. Next, let's try the title generator. I'll enter a topic and let the AI create several title suggestions. And here are the results. Instead of just giving one title, the AI provides multiple variations that are more engaging and optimized for clicks. This can save a lot of time when you're trying to create titles that attract more viewers. One thing I like is that all AI usage can be tracked directly inside Hostinger Horizons. Here I can see how many AI credits I've used for building the application and running its AI features. This means I don't need separate OpenAI billing, API subscriptions, or multiple dashboards. Everything is managed in one place.
If you need help while building your project, Hostinger also provides Kodee. Kodee is an AI assistant that can guide you through the development process and provide recommendations for improving your application. It's like having an assistant available whenever you need one. Once everything is ready, the application can be published with just a few clicks. You can connect your own custom domain and make the app available online. And just like that, the AI-powered web app is live. After trying it myself, I'm genuinely impressed by how much can be accomplished without coding. What stands out the most is that AI is already integrated into the platform. There's no need for additional AI subscriptions, no API setup, and no complicated technical work. Everything from hosting and domains to AI-powered features is available in one place. So if you've ever had an idea for a web app but didn't have programming experience, hosting your horizons might be one of the fastest ways to turn that idea into a real product. If you'd like to try it yourself, check out the link in the description. And don't forget to use my coupon code MAKEITSIMPLE to get 10% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.